kinyote mwithite kinya counseling or whatever. That means rira ukaeta ko one muchororo ro kwena we wari noe. After how umba ku release emotions yaku no komba ku cope with your issues. Yeah.
And now, nimbibito mari mwe itra burundu bubu musana. Akomba kudura tuki overcome mental health illnesses kana mental health traumas. Na nontu kinyakiringa na research rotu ira antu ekuri baba watu wanakia muno guchiura. Lakini na ibaba kulukaira muno mantu jegi mental health issues. Lakini watri marume ibaba kuteka action haraka. Ibaba kukwape stress duwale akadwani yochiura na agachiura ruyo. Why is it very hard kumba kudura tuki overcome mantu jegi mental health issues?
Yeah. Kintu kembere mbwire i stigma ambayo yurite in society today. Ya kwamba antu bako kuwa stigmatize bako kurokira mental health issues. Kwa story ndaonete TV ne fulani muntu aichuraite nonto nako we akuthoma na ina family naona kilazimiti bawe iba kundrive na nyumba injega na manto eu is end up kura tona tawe na ichura. Na andre watrima ya kwamba antobo ingi bate tutukomba kudire mental health issues nonto bwa stigma ibokira kwa njanjit ya kwamba uwe muntu murume we ngo muntu murume no kuwe na stress inacho kuwatira no to society re expect muntu murume ethira rina yani aina ochamba bo nene muno no kuona na ndire raba kaomba kwaria barona ya like you are a weak man naona lakini kwaria rero komba kwaria does not mean you are weak man. Actually that is kuona ni you na strength na no kuomba ku seek help. Na andre kento kenge tutena antu baraba ku bakaomba ku listen antu batena kubadhikira bate kubanjanji. Oti makinya muntu leta kwaria manto yaku in the next thing wikwa ke atori. Kano iko kiri anto bangi. Na ande anto babengi oriona bare bate kumba kwaria nonto bare iba ku feel kwa judged na the stigma that is in the society. Yeah.
Okay. Ale science tia ila upati kwa ile mtu anokona mtu wati sawa. Either kimwana tikitira mental health issues chomba kudira chika affect tuana kana mimbi kimu youth kimu ekuru mantu irobati kuona akibwithia na ukachira Andrew ati sawa. Wachira Annabel hayuko sawa. Ukaile kimathi mitra mimbi kinyame alio kuona hapa hayuko sawa. Ale science akienda nende nyekithiri kuwotethi wa wotethi mapema.
Yeah. Kambwe mental health issues ichi thine mathugani ni wata kinyana banini. Nerona ni statistics World Health Organization nerona ni antu baraba bakwatu mental health issues from 15 to 29 years. Na yuko botongoro tikinya manto yambi ya ichiura
15 to
29 years. Na andre otemuntu mdegoroi as long as you're human being otemuntu ate wato mental health issues. Otemuntu ate wato stress, otemuntu ate wato anxieties, otemuntu ate wato depression as long as you're human being. Last week ndaone baatire wakatholeke ichiuraite. Ego na kinya professionals or the pastor or you no watu imbi mental health illness. Na ndire ato mental health issues kana challenge or illness or disorders no ntobwa kuina sign chona nakia sign ya mbere ni isolation. Ogona muntu atekwenda ku interact na antu bangi. Atekwenda kathi muntu very joyful atekwenda ku interact na antu bangi ona arenda kuria wenka iko na ya kwamba na mental yakite njega kintu kingi imanto ra endete kuithia muno ate kuithia watima kaithira na arenda nendete ku maybe kuandika kana watch TV kana anything that muntu endete kuithia kona atekwenda kuithia iko na maybe kwa idea kwa mama all the day from morning to evening when iko mama yake iko na ya kwamba muntu state yake teta ate omweka kintu kingi wantu bana na bakona ni ate sawa no morie ni atori akwira ndri sawa niko sawa like antu baingi actually barakona bayikurukira mental health issues wamuria ni atari akwira ndri sawa nokona I'm okay lakini kinyo wewe ngo ukenda utakwenda kumenya nontiba kumenya kinyo mwira yesa utibu onto amutethia na ndri itwathi ku listen antu wa mufano from muno muri ni ate uri kenda amba kueleza ni ate ni ate kuendelea no ndri antu baingi the strongest people are the one who are kulukira mental health issues na watrima the ones that are facing mental health issues, they are always isolating themselves, particularly in quarry anything, they are just by karautu.
Lakini in our normal life, kinyawa kile mtu amurine ate akwira ikoya uko sawa niko sawa. At what point tubati kwere kukuchira na waicho kiri apana sawa andura kuwa ai sawa ati sawa. At what point tubati kumenya which okay is not okay.
It's okay not to be okay. And tukinya ria tukakinya essence ya kuwa unima ante sawa mbakiri kwari bila nkugurukira ira tukamenya thina mathuganio ni wate muntu wonthe na to create awareness tumenya kwamba unongwato inio na ndi vulnerable ya kwato mental health issues leo kamenya nongwato stress nokona leo kamenya nongwato depression no menye the solution ikwaria arinkire to kamenya it's okay not to be okay
Elao ewatri matriri mtu tu ako na kuendelea na utoro kwa wewe kawaida na wewe ngwana uchibwa ayuko sawa na kinyantu barabara kwenda nuiba kuona ayuko sawa lakini kuseek help mtura aliwa wako sawa lakini hapo alete kuona yuko sawa ibo kwenda mutelia this person hataki kusaidiwa tunafaa tufanyaje tumwailie aende tu tukiona ama tunafaa tufanyaje
okay antu baba inge watrima baikire na ironda byankoro myaka mingi for example tuwe rikurire kembere mbarite kintu kitawa trauma childhood trauma ewe ikintu kichuburantu baba inge myaka mingi muno like
mantira
wanakurura mwana omunini nokona nande watrima antu bainge bare build emotional wounds kana ironda bya mathuganio bya karamyaka mingi bya karamyaka mingi bya karamyaka mingi na rabia karamyaka mingi iya kironda rero ringo alafu kona kironda kira ukareo kia akanya kiora noko ketate noka kikaendelea complete na ndio trima anto baingi barabara ironda bya moyo bya kana bya mathuganio biendelea complete not to them kana hati koba hati baipongwa lakini barenda nyako biketa kwa hati kinyanto barabara yakwe nabo nande watrima antu baba ingi bateko barendelea kukua hurt every time and then because they feel like uti muntu ambendete uti muntu ambontedia nokona such kind of issues
na kire utroboto tura na tukerera manjige mental health Mr. Andrew mtu no wetere bukiona this person imtu kugwirwa mantu tabana kugwithe sawa lakini deep down either ina matego muchumura kana either bleed from deep inside
mental health issues is the physical illness ombe umeona nokona ona muntu mana yitwe ikiongo kana ate sawa muntu no endelea kutheka social media aburinga tubicha bura wereite bura sawa lakini inside no kwa nokona na andre iya kanza unaona kanza kore yao sawa kabisa mwanka testing ya mwisho ilo na amount ateta boya na ndivyo mental issues we carry unaona muntu sawa kabisa lakini ndene yawe ate sawa na ya kumenya muntu ate sawa iko kukaranoe wa muria vokaria like just talking vokaria no wa muria we can discuss about life issues na rero akaona ori open kiri uwe akaomba ko rero batuko munjange na rero open kiri ukona akaomba ko ari na kwira issues yawe Yeah, so many people are just dying inside batokomba kwari lakini in the society barona akabaye sawa lakini bate sawa. Yeah.
Na kuringana na uchungu bwa bwithitie Mr. Andrew ne itumia antu abate kwenda kwaria muno kana bagwita ku seek help indiria athina ingire sana. For example indiria atukwamba ambiria ukimantia depression na kuigwa yuko sawa lakini ate kwenda gwita ku seek help. Indiria thuka buruwe kinya to final stages iria kwenda gwita nende kwenda kwaria iria kwenda ukunuka. Why?
Actually the young people bate ko seek help. Kintu kia mbere inonto bari indulge, for example, in wrong mechanism to cope with mental issues like in drugs. Unaona? Munta watu stress kana depression naona kuita kunywa bangi kana kunywa nchobi kendona akamumbie ka reduce. Unaona? Kana aka indulge ke manto yange ya tebuwi. Nande wati manto wengi bate ko open up until the last stage because of even statistics zirona kia kire anto batandatu umuntu omwe bakomba ku open up kana ku seek professional help. Iko na yakwa out of 6 ke muntu omwe iba ku seek professional help. Iko na anto baba ingi bate seek professional help.
Anto batano
bate ku seek professional help. Baikuire na undrene. Iko na ya kwamba kinya even in our churches. Kinya churches nyingi ku aibuntu kawiro muno rya toka kinya kanisa ne bega kia mental health as a serious issue. Nonto pastors batongore byanto baina ironda. Bia mathogani bate kumenya. Oito mwira kwira itorombe kana ngakorombera. Anto pastor rifa muntu ena mental health issue amurifa ke professional counselor. Nande they feel like ku prefer ke professional counselor it is like a sin. Nande anto bata accept ya kwamba professional help ni itete muntu. Apart from no torombe na the same time no to seek professional help na manto ya tabubwega.
Wow.
Yeah.
And now watima kimanto jege mental health akwina tu stress cha kawaida na tumanto tu kawaida tutuchumbura na kwina egbe nende main stress kwina depression kwina mental health ile kuingia kabisa na hata tubati ku differentiate between normal stress kuchumbuka tu hii ya kawaida hapa kule na mental health need.
Okay. Not every stress is a mental health issue, or not every anxiety is a mental health issue. To meet a mental health disorder, irira ekaanjiria ku distract your daily life.
Okay.
Kaidra, for example, in a stress, kwa tu stress, orianje ku mama excess, orianjira ku isolate, ote tanguene, ote kwenda kwaria nanto, ni automate nanto mental health disorder. You can differentiate normal stress or normal anxieties na with mental health issues. Eka ku interact with your daily life. No kuona utukumba ku move or to do the daily activities without without these issues.
Akuringana nawe Mr. Andrew ni atokudwania yo mantere betukitara yagichangia sana antu kwithira baina mental health disorders kinde gurune yetu ya rwari.
Kento kembere antu kwithira baina high expectations. High expectations in the marriages, high expectations in life, antu kwithira baina big goals iba tokomba ku achieve. For example, ona muntu okumakiri marriage, I expect the partner maybe either akire na ability ya provide kina akira. Lakini ando na expectations zile tabonge akatu broken. Unaona? So the first thing iko contribute to mental health issue is high expectations. Kintu kingi ni challenge ya ndeguru. Kwa kanguwe na challenges zingi cyande urantu ibakolokera kwa cyambecha na manto ya uyangi na ibuntu mpuire utotomba kurita mental health issues as long as you are human being anga you really enjoy. Yeah, so another thing is past wounds or the past pain, trauma, grief. antu baingi twina bo baina ironda bataora. Kona baina ironda. For example, in one of my clients atima na mtu araua rea ari mwana munini kwe mantu akuluki ithe amwithirie like amwithire mantu ya mai muno. Ukona na rĩrĩa ngiriu hapendelea kuwa all men are banned, arume bonthe ibabai. Nokona yeah na rĩrĩa kuma kima range ariona men bonthe ibabai. Na ndĩrenda kuona kinya ona muntu mwega riu you're just like my father. Au ithira kantu kanini you're just like my father. Nokona na ndo trima antu baingi baina ironda batora korone. Na ibyo bendelea as long as ku ikirondo tora kikendelea complete kire owe ko hato owe na inya complete kire antu bangi bare ukwe na owe. So ibyo ndo trima antu baingi ba umisa antu bangi bate kumenya kaninya umisa bayo bongo bate kumenya. Ndo trima ironda bila totora bikendelea ku interact to heart even in our present. Yeah.
Wow. Na tupati ku approach this person ura aina mental health issue. Tupati ku approach ate kienda ta feel number one chanced atikone yaka ati worthy no sometimes kuigutumbike mtombike kwa approach wako ona mi hapa sitakikane hapa sipendwi na hii mtu aina mantu yajo muchumbura tupati ku approach ate.
Okay. Kintu kile tombo approach tupati di kwethira can make a rapport with them, kana relationship nabo. Leo ka make relationship nabo bakona ipa kwendwa. Kwe muntu akombenda na kwe muntu akonjali. Kintu kenge ethero ina batai mukubathikira. No ntoba inge era ngakwa kanya kako unthikira. Wetiri mantoba ingi bare ari muno nkolokia kuthikira. Nande the first thing bathikire nyambere waria. Bakanya konde barie kathi kurira barire. Give time to cry. Barire. Then even you is not a must worry.
Lakini do we have all that time? Na bura mantu ja gucherero bura tunapelekwa mbio. Tuwe na kanya kau eka kuya umpa mantu ja kunkira ngotegete kwa kanyoriro urira 2 hours 3. Do we have that time really?
I think it is there. Ibatu tote na empathy. Like tone aka muntu rai na thina oninte watoneo nokona lakini roka watoneo iroka menya inkwenda muntu akaunthikira akora kwenda urambo unthikira na ndi buronto tota watu stress kana depression iroka ona muntu ongema so yeah
yukura kuri and healing emotional wounds na yandiki journey through pain and healing na ndambira kwa healing kona kwina kinyano ki table of content akuno we yanite my journey through pain and healing mtura akathoma yukuri kana mtura atimana yukuri anyway atumba kuthoma maybe all the chapters mwaka chapter 9 lakini yake akutrimana tu na akoba kuithomera kinya chapter 4 understanding the root of emotional wound kana another chapter nyimbi abati ku expect from this book.
Kintu bati ku expect kiri kure kintu kembere ubari kumenya kora ironda bya mathoganio tintu kwimwe isafari nda ya mono ya kwamba it is healing to a healing is a journey. Kwira wachoka ukabua buya kindogo uchoke ringe nyuma nokona like there is a stages of grief. Kwira muntu kona ari beginning aita ringe rejection ringe aita acceptance kitu kama hiyo na andre ivo healing kari ina milima na mabonde na andre riukure respect ya kwamba kuritana ya kwamba healing is a journey. Na kintu reto kuwa healing is a journey, the first step patiri kumenya is acknowledging ya kwamba oni kwenda utethio oni ndina stress oni ndina depression oni ndina childhood trauma oni ndina grief na ro acknowledge ya kwamba oni ndi vulnerable ya mental health ilio safari ya ku healing ikanjiriria lakini bando kaitho tena accept ya kwamba bando onire sawa kaitho tena accept ya kwamba nite sawa healing may become difficult. So acceptance and acknowledging ya kwamba I need help and I need to heal is the first step of healing from this book. Another thing you need especially kure ikakuritana ya kuritana ya kwamba mwanko menye kwamba kweli kumbe onde na ironda kumbe nya ntora. Nakaona anto wengi bathwana kindorere lakini bando ntora.
Ukamenya ati utora.
Ukamenya kwa totora. For example, I'm speaking about grief.
Yes.
For example, kaithore na muntu. Alafu amwithiria kintu. Akwira ho wingithia nuntu inda mwana wako na akwire.
Okay.
Ona? Ibo muntu bungwithia nuntu mukuru wako na akwire.
Nuntu tena babe.
Nuntu tena babe buntu etomi. Nokona?
Wow.
Ya uni ndona anko kwa baina familia ekie nkanja kurira muno nkauga ho kwetha ibunde kwetha ndandia areo ibo tukitha twita twina family njega kana inya muntu akianti kidogo ambe nkiwa kwetha ndandia areo ntikitha ngikurukaira mantu ja no kwaona na andre repeating of ukimba kurikana mantu ya thina iro kurukana pain ya the past pain iko nenda bando tora iko nenda bando tora kintu kingi kona ni tora bando ikwenda utikwenda kuigwe anything about kintu okurukire kitambo. For example, kaitha no alusire muntu ra wendete. Na muntu amention no mwira no ukariria. Achana na hiyo. Igwa ndugo no torora. Nakona? Kintu kingi for example baraba kulukire heartbreak. Kana rejection. Ati kwenda mimbi kungiva herself tena kuendwa ringi. Nakona? Anto wingi baraba kulukire heartbreak bago te wendro butute wendro. Nakona? Nonto bata give themselves another chance kuendwa ringi. Another chance to love and love again. Yeah.
And that what it healing and tikithira nethera ina a specific period of time irani ndo batu kuwa kithira ne heartbreak batu heal na 2 months hiyo kitu na sawa kabisa. Maybe grieve 3 years inaisha kabisa. Na kithira kwina maybe a period of time do we heal completely ira yare kinya kithira inda heartbreak either kinya mbore na bithira they so comfortable kwarire maybe that at break kithira yari grief bithira they so comfortable kwarire maybe that person ura atutire do we heal completely na heal completely kuyukakia how long?
Okay. Ambuwe healing ete na timeline but it depending na muntu no either na independent also with the pain rokurokira. For example, and grief muntu ora alusite yanku no ora lusite mwana ora lusite yanku me heal faster than ora lusite mwana.
Okay.
Unaona? Na andre for example emotional attachment ya muntu ora maybe lusire na independent with the healing period. Kintu kingi healing has no timeline. Healing has no timeline. As long as I think the most important is the emotional intelligence and resilience ya mtu kuitikiria kwamba no mbore akaanja kwa accept ya kwamba no re is the first step of healing.
Maybe ke mtu ratwailetie na ku struggle na emotionally na ku struggle na uti mtu arera akana yani tu ako nyanto bara maybe mtu ana jinyamazia tu na ku struggle lakini uti mtu wako ila anataka tu akae peke yake bantu ya waja buidhio wengwa how can we encourage those people?
Okay. Sometimes tutomba ku franco orekiuria tutomba ku heal completely sometimes. Sometimes tutomba ku heal completely some of the scars and huna pain ile tukurukaira katubika matatu inabio wakamata mathina na maironda inabio lakini iko ni okora iko kwamba no endelee na safari yaku na daily life activities ete ku interact manto yaku nande ke muntura ako kurukira mental health issues na mimi no feel difficult kwaria. I want to tell you that give yourself a second chance. A second chance ya kuirekera. Na mbona anto wengi barekaira anto bangi lakini batire kaira. I mean like anto wengi barekaira like for example kwa muntu akuhatire lakini bandro no amurekera lakini wowe itirekera. Na andre kaithia kwa kintu okurukire give yourself a second chance to laugh kuichiende na uirekere. Kinya ithia kwa wewe wa facility kintu kiguke kareka irekere and we serve as a God of second chance. Murungu rakwendete. God is not like a human being. Anto no bako unjanji no bako ithire manto yangi lakini ndendo kwira kwamba tusafe Murungu ranenkaira muntu a second chance. Na kintu kiki tubatiri kumenya Murungu ni bangu emega uturone bwetu. Ukaona? Nande tukudro noone season yenu kwa season yenu omi muno na season yenu ni omi la but that don't mean that season yenu ingi yete inya ikaoma like kwa season ya thano na kwa season ingeke yana bikora biketha biri kuo na ndi ibo live wekari yo kwa season yomi na season itatia ireke ya na manto akathongoma na ndi muntu kwira ya kwamba have emotional intelligence yakini ichikire inya naone ya kwamba ukaomba Murungu erere Joshua chapter 1 verse 9 ndamwira Joshua ndakwirira ukarakwa nkoro na ukaangalia nyuma ichiiteke no mende Murungu waku ukaona na ndi ibuntu antu batikwithira bari na hope. Hope is very important when it comes to mental health. Antu bengi ba lose hope muno lakini ndo kwira never give up. Hope is very important. Hope.
Wow.
Ona?
Wow. Thank you. Andrew nukuthwania ki society ratu kunende itukungwaira ritwa muno uchamba kana kwithira we so strong mwanka tu a point kinyandira muntu akuigwa iso down akuigwa iso weak na ukira kuwa akenda maybe atikuonekane yakate strong. For example to men tu a men are strong arume batirira anto murume atikilukirwe kathina mwanaume ni kupambana mwanaume ni mwanka wa trima akinyandira muntu murume akwenda uteithio atumire kuwa anontu itubonete bari antu so strong amtu tiko ka otiki mbige kumwina ini
that is where society turi kwamba bari expect muntu aithirari aina ochamba na tekona ni vulnerability yawe especially kire arume ndendo kwira arume bonde bandeguru ya kwamba korera like for example korera muntu mureme korera ithine nene muno
mwanaume atirira
muntu mureme atibatiri korera but korera is not a weakness is a strength. Rero karera okombo ku release emotions yaku does not mean orere mbere yana baku urinya karumu etorere wenka orere at the end of all ukona ku release emotions yaku na andre kire society today atubatiri ku provide a safe space rantu bakomba kunji express antu bakona kona ni ya kwamba oni kwenda uteithio na I'm vulnerable, I need help, really I need help. Na maybe gender and gender may bring issues. Maybe muntu murume no uri muntu murume mwenzako. Orai muchore oku, orokona ya kwamba no mbure nkaita nkamwira o. Maybe atomba otethia na materially but nomba otethia na mathoganio kaninyo ko akanya gaku okuthikira. Na ndi uria muntu urari ukwena owe kaithire muchore oku, kaithire pastor, kaithire counselor, kaithire ne arimo, muchiari wari noe na rero iko you are so overwhelmed wetoka ari noe na akombo ku guide
atokirekeria atokiarire matudegi recovery maybe ukumenya wena depression uchwa counselors uchwa help baku walk through through that journey na uguchoka mtu ari mental health free azina una depression uko tu sawa. Does it really mean ore ike kulikava from depression kana from mental health itumbo kuwata ringi?
No. Does not mean itumbo kuwata no kuwata ringi. Ile ukaeka kundifferentiate na muntu ronke mimi ukaithore na resilience kana emotional intelligence ira yakinyethia ndra kurukire ukaithore na emotions ira inyethia ndakurukire kira kinya kino mbombo kurukira ukaona even tonanto the first time they very difficult gwetata ku cope with the mental health issues lakini mbere bakorokera ibaitha baina ka resilience ya kwamba no mbumbe. I think that is somewhat different. Yeah.
Aki thirikari ne chetu mimbi thirikari ne na kinya thirikari cha county ito kinyete kanya karaka kwa acknowledge mental health ni kintu kibati kumba kuthora gikiarirwa na njira ine na ine kintu kibati kumba kuthora kijukua ki serious not to so many people iba kumba kuthora bekulukira mental health issue.
Bandro tutakinya essence where thirikari yukitie mental health issues with a lot of seriousness. Nonto statistics ronanakia anto ngirima na mwanja every year iba uko nonto kwa depression. Depression is one of mental health issue. Every year 700 people iba uko nonto kwa depression. Bandro inyo etake sectors, health sectors. There are some health sectors itina counselors. Waita chukuru wayana ibo ichiora bako chama drums na manto yange na manto yange yokoreke LGBTQ and other issues happening in the schools. Chukuru nyingi itapate na counselors. Chibitari yote na counselors. Waita kanisa ene chiongoa watarerenya manto ya mental health. I don't know if there is a church ambayo in a Sunday service bako arere mental health. That is a mental health Sunday. I think kinya thirikari and even society bandro batayukia mental health with a lot of seriousness. I want to talk ukona there is rise of suicide cases na mantura think yokareke mental health disorders. Yeah.
Uri mental health advocate ni bibi kweja hope na birigiro kwati ruariri kiri rutene rwege mental health mantu no yedere yatibu lakini in near future kana tukuchero uyu mantu yakedere yakiasa wasa. What gives you that hope?
What gives me hope? I think we motivate every day. For example, nkaitha ndina client na nkateithia clients na nkona kubua akona na akona hiyo intelligent ya kuendelea na life na kureka ichiora na bana nkona muntora akokero ya witotethia muntonge like akokero he has become no a mental health advocate. Iko give hope like we are build itotethia anto bangi betotethia anto bangi. Another thing can give hope in in a society nowadays. Some of the organizations which advocate mental health, most of the organizations that people can advocate mental health, which gives me hope like maybe in near years anto bakanja kuke this thing is as serious and even idrikare kombe with a lot of seriousness. Yeah.
Uturanda boto kawaida in our daily living imantu jai kwa at least batukumba kutukibwethe kenda tumenyera our mental health wellness our well-being akenda at least tukomba kuthira atugitrima atu ina stress ticha kawaida depression imetuhit manze na ho other mental health disorders.
Yeah. Kintu kambere to prevent mental health issues kintu kia mbere iko either contented kwa nirwa aniro na kira ori nakyo ira ori na bio na deo tina bio anirwa kona antoba ingiba by the expectations nyingi cha life no trima muntu ate kwa nirwa kira ari nakyo na andre nthigurwe anirwa ira ori na bio ira tina bio anirwa kintu kenge ore yuko te sawa aria muntu roro kwe nawe aria noe na kombo otethia. Another thing is how to cope with the mental health issues. Ya kwamba in this world utimuntu ate watu mental health, let's know that we are weak human beings. Sisi ni weak human beings and we are vulnerable. No to watu mental health issues. Leto kamenya ya kwamba no watu mental health issues ukaitha onere resilience ile ya kwamba kinyenda watu ne onka ku seek help. Yeah, so anto by they were really contented with the little they have. They don't have, but they got na expectations in engage and they go na kintokea mwisho anto wengi bari so concentrated na ngwechio manto ya family lakini bakolo ba icholo no ndo sometimes so they to create time na wewe ngwa na batu tuingwa kaithero uko work throughout the week no wikwe ya exhausted kana mathugania kuingega create time for yourself eto ta self care activity kaithera kama ni kutembea kaithera iko kuita kuinteract na friends kana kuithe kintoro wendete have time for yourself sometimes have some break yeah. I think that is the most important.
Okay. Anibweka sana kwena mantera maybe etwigino na yomba uturetera thina na uko baadaye. Some of those things. Some of them we ignore for now, lakini in near future ya kwamba kuturetera thina.
Yeah. Kintu kiranto bagino no iko rea wichite ya kwamba uni inkwenda utethio. Thaino no one yakon kaitha ndesa yani motivate ya kama kaitha ndesa lakini utesawa na hivyo ntumbwire kwaria 90% ya kwari kutethekia kora and muntu no build akiwa ndesa but at the end of all no trima kuwa ndesa kora ku build mwanka iko kareta depression.
Okay.
Nande yeah.
Oh, thank you. Nebega sana akire mtu maybe urari ngenda kuona yukurire yaku na ari thoma ndenda wa ile kamera iro tueleze inaombikio riona na mtu urakenda ukuona wewe inaombikio kuona maybe kwena mitandao ya ukinyaniria na kwikana kwino kinya bikite yukurire mtu ombikia bita ariona na akaura na kinyo gitura myambo kuwe mwicho tukirikire mubango yo turinge.
Okay, riukure yandi kora ironda bya mathuganio is ili kurerega muno riambo otethia ke safari ya kora ironda birotora ironda bya muntu wa kwire ora wendete muno kanya mantoro kurokera oturene na yikwa bando otora rikurere otethia ringi kinya ku develop emotional intelligence na kinya otethia ku how to reduce stress rikurere ke arimo baraba ko kananya muntu ora wonde akuritania ngwe na anto bari na ironda kana hunde resource arimo ndagitari omuntu ora wonde kinya achiari ili kurirega na kinya rithomo muntu wonde ayuthi na inyanto barabangi riukire okendo riona ririala kenjai kwe clinic itawa Muga clinic hapo kenjai no rione a copy na yangi yare ukiri Consolata Catholic Bookshop no rione makutano kana no ndingire thimo nkaomba ku parcel parcel wherever you are in the country. Namba ya kwa 07 59 56 82 89
chokera
07 59 56 82 89 na nombure social media Facebook, TikTok Andrew M. Mudhamia. Andrew M. Mudhamia.
Thank you. Nibweka sana Andrew Mudhamia na tupakwea na ututhamire manto jegie mental health illness kana mental health awareness. Ita na bere na kumba kwetera advocate for mental health not to so many people iba kumba kwetera ba suffer out here lakini wengi ibaraba tukenda kumira abethira bakiari na botegeri wa Meru TV ugia kwetera anuku iba ko no ku fall akera yonde etomba kwetera tukithomethwe wari ibua ya guchumirie na umbe kwetera gecho otethie ugetera mwanka umbo buru une ende antu bamenya kuukari ari umira bewe ngwanu kugote sawa chwa utethio no komba kwithira awitetheka kinya kithira no chwa mtu kwari nwe tafuta tu umbe kwithira ukimwarire reka kuria wichira niko strong na mucho ne ntuko atumbe kwithira twiguta ukiwa we strong ithira ne kaita gakeya amutegeri wa Meru TV ni wambeta muthoni wa kiramana mathaye tanga angethira ngichokera kiri mubango you are the wave.